guys, so it's about time I changed this. This is pretty full of dust and crap, so I got these online. They're just for the suitable for Karcher model T10 series range, so you get about 10 of them. It's real easy. Pick one up like that. They just made a card and paper, and so what we do is we pop that on like that. It's just literally, I can do it one-handed, it's quite easy. It drops in like that. Then we just put on the filter, which is pops in like that. Then we get the Karcher. Right, click on them. One thing I like about this hoover is that it's got all the tools and stuff on the back. Right, and then good to go. Pretty decent hoover as well. Yeah, good touch on it. Yeah, it's cool to do that, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.